Hey friends, is your Windows PC is running slow? Today I will show you the hidden Windows setting or a trick that will speed up your Windows computer. Whether you change the number of processors, you don't need to do upgrade. I just tell you a small trick that will speed up your computer. For this one, first thing we need to go to the press Windows R. Then after that, type MSCONFIG. Then after that, press enter. Then after that, go to the boot option. Then after that, click on the advanced option. Then click here the number of processor. The default processor are here only one, single. I'll select here 4. Again, I select the maximum memory. Here, when you change this, then select here OK. Then select here apply. Then select here, then click on OK. It will do the restart. So the truth is, changing this setting won't really increase your PC speed. The best way to optimize Windows is disabling the startup programs, updating the drivers, and keeping your system clean from the unnecessary app. So in this video, hope that hit like the button and share it to the friend who want to fix.